Hey guys, I'm wearing my Christmas leggings and my Christmas makeup. You can't really see it and it doesn't look the best as it should right now, but yeah. It is currently snowing at my house. So, I'm gonna be doing a slime in the snow challenge. I haven't seen this done before. So let's do it. I don't like this crouching position, but I'm not sitting on the snow. I literally have a jacket and pants on and a shirt under this. That's it. I kind of love the snow, although I hate the cold. It's not actually that cold. This is glow-in-the-dark blue glitter. I asked about what color I should use on my Insta, and y'all said 100% blue. So yeah, let's go. I don't like this feeling. I honestly don't. Oh my gosh, get out. I don't know if y'all have noticed this about me, but I do eyeball everything. Okay. Just put the lid on in case there's oh god, there's still a lot left. No. There's not. Okay, this is fine. We don't want to make too much. Okay. Now, fluffy slime, so let's fluff it up, I guess. Now mix. I don't know, it's been so long since I've done a slime video, so this might backfire, because I'm pretty sure that was way too much. Maybe not. Okay. Activator. Oh god, this isn't open. Oh yeah, it is. This is fine. Now, we only put stuff in the cap, and I made sure to get clear, so it would actually be blue. I hope it turns blue at least. You can't even see it. Oh my god, it's turning purple. This is what I was afraid of. I love purple, but it's supposed to be blue. Please turn blue. Oh my god, turn blue. Is it even slime? Oh, nope, that needs activator. Bad. That should be good. I feel like you use activator the most out of all the ingredients besides the glue. It's activator. I can't tell if that's activating. Oh my god. Come back. I'm not wiping it on my shoes. Oh yeah, by the way, I used glow-in-the-dark glue. So this is going to be interesting. Wah! Slime. Okay, come out. Let's add some more of this, please. Not that much more, but yeah, that much more. It's pretty good. I honestly eyeball everything. I don't want to end up putting too much of something, because then I feel like it'll ruin it, and then I've wasted glue, and I kind of don't like the idea of that. Don't eat the glow-in-the-dark snow. Quotes by Lily. Okay, I think I ruined this, honestly. Although, with past slimes, I've realized that it takes a minute with the glue, with the kind of stuff I use, so it might take a couple days, but I think it will slime up eventually. But just in case, let's add a little more of everything, because like I said, I still have some glue left in here. Because I can't seem to get glue out of things. Get out. Oh my god, get out. Oh my god, it's not coming out. There we go. Come on, now get out. You're fucking with me. Struggles of Lily. Oh my God. More shaving cream. I didn't shake this. I'm gonna transfer this into a different container because this ain't it. And my hands are killing me, so I kind of want to get this video over as soon as possible. I'm gonna turn this upside down in the snow. Now let's pull it out. Oh my God, the snow is awesome. I will have to show you this. But I'm gonna put this over here, put that down. That will be fine. Oh God, as long as I don't get stuff on my shoes, I am cool with this. My new shoes. Why I'm wearing them in the snow? They're warm, okay? Don't come at me. Get out. I hate special types of glue. They will not come out of the box no matter what you do. How deep is this snow? I'm gonna have to do a gymnastics in snow one, so. This is my slime in snow. I will do gymnastics in snow. I hope, if I get around to it. Okay, come out please. Get out. Just gonna hold this over this here. Oh my God. Ah! Okay, this may turn into slime, this may not. From what it looks like, it may not. Ah, get out please. Of course, I have to stick snow in it. Lily, why? Why, Lily, why? I'm waiting for this glue to like come out on me. Cause like, I don't care if it comes out on me, I just need it out. Oh, that came out. Come out, the rest of you, please. Now we're getting somewhere. Oh my God, thank you. We're sitting. This is gonna be cold as crap. We're sitting. No one ever told me I had to shake it, okay? I feel like this will make a difference, although I don't know if it will, but I feel like it should. Yeah, that's slime. I'm gonna keep stirring it a bit though. Okay, let's add a bit more activator. There. Glue. Okay, the one time my eyeballing trick fails is when I'm making a video. But I don't know any slime exact measurements, so I'm gonna have to stick with eyeballing for now till I get good recipe, because y'all see what I'm using, right? And I know for a fact this is gonna glow in the dark. That's slime. Okay, get off. See how it's not coming off? It's slime. Oh, there's a car driving down the road. Slowly too. Okay, let's cover all this up. Bye. Bye, spoon. You don't exist. Slime container. Still gotta show you how it looks in the snow though. Everything is so cold. Let me put this stuff inside. I'm just gonna set it inside the door and hope I don't get caught. Okay, this is what it looks like in the snow. Oh God, I shouldn't have stepped on that. Okay. Get back on there. Cover up. Ah, my hands are cold.